Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word abhorrent. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The abhorrent display of violence in the movie left the audience feeling shocked and disturbed. Abhorrent refers to something extremely repugnant or loathsome, causing strong feelings of disgust or hatred due to its shocking or offensive nature. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.